Hello and namaste to all of you. This is JVN Shalu Singh from Department of Physiotherapy and Diagnosis from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. For today's lecture, I'll be talking with you all about a biotin. The structure of biotin consists of an imidazole ring fused with thiophene ring with a valeric acid side chain. So the carboxyl group forms an amide linkage with epsilon nitrogen of a lysine residue in the apoenzyme. Now the coenzyme activity of biotin. So biotin acts as a coenzyme for carboxylation reactions. So biotin captures a molecule of carbon dioxide which is attached to the nitrogen of biotin molecule. So the energy required for this reaction is provided by ATP and details then the activated carboxyl group is transferred to the substrate. Now biotin, it requires carbon dioxide fixation reactions. So this enzyme adds carbon dioxide to acetyl CoA to form malonyl CoA, and it is the rate limiting reaction in biosynthesis of fatty acids. Now acetyl CoA plus carbon dioxide plus ATP gives malonyl CoA plus ADP plus PI. So and now propionyl CoA carboxylase. So propionyl CoA plus carbon dioxide plus ATP will give methyl malonyl CoA plus ADP plus PI. Then pyruvate carboxylase. So pyruvate plus carbon dioxide plus ATP will give oxaloacetate plus ADP plus PI. Now this is the important in two aspects. One, it provides the oxaloacetate, which is catalyst of TCA cycle. Second, it is an important enzyme in gluconeogenic pathway. So biotin dependent carboxylation reactions. So carbamoyl phosphate synthetase, which is the stepping stone for urea pyrimidine synthesis, addition of carbon dioxide to form C6 in purine ring, malic enzyme covering pyruvate to malate, biotin antagonists such as avidin, which is a protein present in egg white, has a great affinity to biotin, hence intake of raw egg may cause biotin deficiency, and biotin was originally named as anti-egg white injury factor. So avidin is a heat labile, and boiling of egg will neutralize the inhibitory activity. So one molecule of avidin can combine with 4 molecules of biotin and egg white, and it contains avidin, and egg yolk contains biotin. So the affinity of avidin to biotin is greater than most of the usual antigen antibody reactions. Therefore avidin biotin system is commonly utilized for detection of pathogens by ELISA. Now DNA is generally labeled by radioactive nucleotides, and recently biotin labeling of DNA is becoming more popular. So biotin is added to nucleotides which will be incorporated into newly synthesizing DNA, and the fixed biotin can be identified by reaction with avidin. Now streptavidin, purified from Streptomyces avidini, can bind to 4 molecules of biotin. Now deficiency of biotin. So prolonged use of antibacterial drugs, biotin deficiency symptoms, they include dermatitis, atrophic glossitis, hyperesthesia, muscle pain, anorexia and hallucinations. Injection of biotin 100 to 300 mg will bring about rapid cure of these symptoms. So requirement of biotin. So about 200 to 300 mg will meet the daily requirements. So what are the sources of biotin? Normal bacterial flora of gut will provide adequate quantities of biotin, and moreover it is distributed ubiquitously in plants and animal tissues. Liver, yeast, peanut, soybean, milk, egg yolk, these are the rich sources. So this was all about biotin. So further about vitamins we will discuss in next lecture. Until then, if you have any doubts regarding biotin or any other previous lectures, you can consult me. Until then, take care and goodbye.